What's up guys, this is Sean from Seanboxing. Today I brought you the newest Yeezy 500 Bone White. For those of you who are new to the channel, I try to do a lot of sneaker reviews before the release date so you guys can have an early look, and also I can help you decide whether you should cop or not. Yeezy 500 Bone White is set to release this Saturday or the 24th, and its retail price is at 249,000 Korean won, and also in US dollars it's 200. If you're in Korea, bear in mind, Adidas Korea changed the way they release Yeezys this time, so there will be no first come first serve. It's online raffles only. They did this because there were some violent actions in front of the store during the recent Yeezy launches, you know, those like morons cutting lines and shit. So, as Dwight the Wise once said, don't be an idiot.
What is the most inspiring thing I ever said to you?
Don't be an idiot. Changed my life. Whenever I'm about to do something, I think, would an idiot do that? And if they would, I do not do that thing.
Without further ado, here is the Yeezy 500. Nah, I was just messing with you. This is a blush colorway, which was released last year, but they say it looks so similar to blush. You know, the Bone White and blush look so similar. A lot of people were saying, you know, why pay for the same looking shit? And I don't know, I haven't seen the Bone White yet, so I can't really say, but let's see how they compare. And if you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button so you can see more of the upcoming videos like this one. This is the new Yeezy 500 Bone White. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Wow, that's dope. That's like super white. So much more white than I expected. Everything looks the same. The mesh, nubuck suede upper, and the adiprene sole. Colors should be obviously different. So what do you guys think? Can you tell the difference? Do you like it more than blush? Leave those comments below so we all know how much hype this new release will enjoy. And now I'll do an Onfeet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and see y'all next time. If you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button so you can see more of the upcoming videos like this one. Thanks guys. Almost forgot about this. So I'm gonna measure the sole of Yeezy 500 Bone White and see how much added height this is gonna give you. Alright, so I hit the lowest point of the shoe. Just gonna squeeze it, press it as hard as I can. There you go. You guys see it? Much lower than I thought. I mean, it's got a big, nice and thick sole here, so you would expect to have some height from this shoe, but not that much. I mean, 2 centimeters is like, yeah, it's better than nothing, I guess.